try to cd into a folder and you get the error, too many arguments, let's see what you can do about that. Let's say, for example, I try to cd into this directory. Copy, I will do cd, Control-Shift-V, and you can see too many arguments. So this just means that there is a spacing here and we need to escape this space. If I bring back the command, I want to escape it from there. So I will use the backslash and that's going to escape the space in there. So if I press enter, it's going to take me into the right folder. If you get this, just try to escape any spaces within your folder. Let's do another example. For instance, let's say I try to create a folder. I will create a folder and I will call it a space folder. What do you think is going to happen if I press enter? If I press enter, I'm going to get 3 different folders and that's not what I want. So if you want to create one folder with a space, then I will need to escape all these different I will need to escape all the spaces and that's going to give me one folder with the name a space folder. So if I enter and I do ls-l, you're going to see that we have one folder called a space folder. Now, if you're trying to cd into the folder, you can always use tab, and tab is going to automatically add the spacing, the escape sequence for where there is a space. So if I do Control-L to clear my screen, Control-L to clear the screen, and then I will try to cd into the folder that I've just created. So I'm going to do cd and then the name of the folder started with A. So I can just enter A and then I will press tab and tab will automatically fill up the name of the folder with all the spaces automatically escaped. And if your Linux doesn't do that, then maybe you're using an older Linux, but normally the tab will automatically add all the spacing, all the escape sequences that are needed in the name of your file, or in the name of your folder. So I hope this will help you to fix this error. cd, too many arguments. All right, see you next time. If you have a question, feel free to let me know.